CASMI is the Chicago Association of Spring Manufacturers, Inc., founded in 1944 as a non-profit trade association. We are a close community of companies that engage in contract manufacturing of springs and wire forms. Spring World, presented by CASMI, the biggest and most attended trade show specifically designed to serving the spring and wire forming industry. The Volunteer Board of Directors plans a variety of annual events, including plant tours, golf outings, dinner meetings, educational speakers, as well as other events for plenty of networking opportunities. As of 2017, CASMI is proud to have provided nearly $750,000 in scholarships. Our Education Foundation Scholarship Program is available to our primary members' children. We annually award $1,500 scholarships to 15 students pursuing an undergraduate degree or certificate program.
Hello, I am S.J. Manis. I am the president of Rockford Spring Company in Rockford, Illinois. I am the show chairman for the 2016 Spring World by CASMI. I am involved with the Spring World event because we have many volunteers throughout CASMI come and put their time and effort in to put a show together so we can have the camaraderie with not only our competitors but with people exhibiting at the show.
CASMI, join us as we continue to bring spring and wire form manufacturers together with the common goal of mutual success.